What's up guys, my name is Azeem and welcome back to another new exciting video. And this video is going to be amazing because we have got a leaked video of unboxing and first hands-on of Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Yes, this is the new flagship device from Samsung in 2018. So now let's talk about its box. You can see this is the box of Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and first of all we have new shiny device, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and you can see that the back surface is very shiny. It has dual back camera setup, and at the front you got a single camera of 18 megapixel and the back cameras of 12 megapixels. Now let's take a look at the box content. In the box you got an Type-C adapter, a pair of hand-frees and a charging adapter. Now let's talk about some specifications of the smartphone. It has 6.4 inches of Super AMOLED display of 83.4% screen to body ratio, and it has resolution of 1440 by 2960 pixels, and the PPI density is 516 pixels per inch, and it will run on operating system of Android 8.1. It has a fingerprint sensor at the back side. It will be the first Samsung smartphone to run Fortnite game on Android. So that was my video on Samsung Galaxy Note 9's unboxing video that was leaked recently. And if you want to check out the Google Pixel 3 unboxing video, then just click on that little icon of eye at the top right corner. So thanks for watching.